Alright, back in 1987, on the Rolling Stone Best Albums list, they had number 16. From 1975, we had Patti Smith with Horses. Alright, and coming in at number 16 from 1987, we got Patti Smith with Horses. Horses. 1975, considered one of the premier pre-punk albums. Poetry and attitude. There we got Patti Smith with Horses. Right there, okay. You got songs like Gloria, Redondo Beach, Birdland, Free Money, Kimberly, Break It Up, Land, and Elegy. So there we go. Patti Smith, number 16. And where'd that one go to? Alright, well, let's see. This one went from number 16 in 1987 to number 44 in 2003, and then it went to number 26 in 2020. So it went from 19 to 44 to 26. Still in the top 50. There we go. Patti Smith, Horses. Horses.
Horses.
Like it? What is that? Do you like it, Amarah? Hey, you're a baby now?
Everything you'll need to accomplish this task is scattered all around.
Now at number 17 from 1987's list, we've got the Beatles with Abbey Road from 1969. So 1987, number 17 from 1969, the Beatles with Abbey Road, with the famous front cover that so many people try to redo. I've even thought about trying to do it too, even in my own neighborhood. Like, get 4 people, we'll just stay just walking across the road. Alright? Abbey Road. Beatles Abbey Road right there. Alright, this has the songs Come Together, Something, in the Way That She Moves, Maxwell's Silver Hammer, Oh Darling, Octopus Garden, I Want You, She's So Heavy, Here Comes the Sun, do-do-do-do, Because, You Never Give Me Your Money, Sun King, Mean Mr. Mustard, Polythene Pam, She Came In Through the Bathroom Window, Golden Slumbers, Carry That Weight, and in the end, the love you take is equal to the love you make. There we go. 1969. And where did this one go? From in 1987, it was at number 17. Then in 2003, it went to number 14, so moved up a little bit there. And then in 2020, moved all the way up to number 5. Wow. So all of a sudden, this is like the best Beatles album, according to recent groups of critics. There we go. The Beatles, Abbey Road. Then we have number 18, the Rolling Stones with Let It Bleed, also from 1969. It looks like cake on a record player. Alright, 1987, number 18 on that chart. We've got the Rolling Stones with Let It Bleed. Got some records there, we got some cake or pie, and a whole bunch of other things that are in the shape of a circle, like tires and... Okay, but anyway, Let It Bleed. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, it just like kind of tells you who played what. Okay. Alright, here's the back cover. Pretty much the same, except somebody had a piece of the pie. Alright. Rolling Stones, Let It Bleed, 1969. Okay, had songs like Let It Bleed, Love in Vain, Midnight Rambler, Give Me Shelter, You Got the Silver, You Can't Always Get What You Want, Live With Me, Monkey Man, and Country Honk. Right here. This one went from number 18 in 1987 to number 32 in 2003, and now, well, as of 2020, it was at number 41 on the chart. So 18 to 32 to 41. Alright, still in the top 50, not bad. Alright. Talking about pieces of pie. Alright, so here I am in Kyle, Texas, right outside of the Texas Pie Company. Kyle, Texas is known as the pie capital of Texas. So here we are. Kyle, Texas, the pie cap, and look at this. Got this place to come visit with the big cherry pie, Texas Pie Company. Life's short, eat more pie. They even have a Kyleopoly. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Do you need a t-shirt? Having those weekend t-shirts?
Also, they got like little, small, personal pies too. Okay. All right, thanks. You too. Also in Kyle, Texas. There's the Kyle Railroad Depot and Heritage Center, which is closed right now. It's only open on Saturdays until 2, but this is the outside. So, Kyle, Texas. Back when this list came out in 1987, there was only one album on it from the year 1986. And that was Paul Simon's Graceland, which was at number 56 on the top 100 list. And that one came out in August of 1986. So here's Paul Simon's Graceland. Way back in 1987, they had it coming in at 1956. This is now 1986. It was the only one from that year. Here's our front cover. There's the back cover, Paul Simon's Graceland. Alright. The inside had the song lyrics on the sheets there. Okay, and what songs are on here? Well, we've got The Boy in the Bubble, Graceland, I Know What I Know, Gum Boots, Diamond on the Soles of Her Shoes, You Can Call Me Al. I can call you Betty, you can call me Al. Under African Skies, Homeless, Crazy Love, Volume 2. That Was Your Mother. All Around the World, or The Myth of Fingerprints. That's All Around the World, or The Myth of Fingerprints. That's the whole name of that song. And there we go. Paul Simon Graceland, 1986. And that went on to go to number 46 in 2003. Wait, no, went to 81 in 2003 and to 46 in 2020. So it moved up over time. It went back and moved up. You know what I'm talking about. There we go. And there's more 86 stuff and 76 and 66 mixed in there. Well, all right.